Let's mask the model and bring in a cylinder 3D from the gizmo. Invert the mask and split unmasked points. Delete the middle edge loop and scale it in the Z-axis. Press QC50 and duplicate the cylinder with the gizmo. Then scale it up and position it slightly below the masked cylinder. Inset a flat island and tap Alt while insetting to change the polygroup. Single click on the back to repeat the inset. Then QMesh the polygroup island. Insert an edge loop in the middle of the cylinder and then uncrease it. Bevel the edge loop and then insert an edge loop in the middle. Select Transpose Edge Loop Complete from the Z-Modeler brush and move the edge loop down. Bevel all the edge loops except for the interior. Press Crease PG and turn on Dynamic. Then uncrease the interior edge loop and insert some control loops. Switch to Slide Edge Loop Complete to further adjust the falloff. Let's add an edge loop in the middle of the outside cylinder and then uncrease it. On the point action, click on Split with the modifier set to triangle center. I want the circle to slightly go below the cylinder. Click to repeat on the opposite side. Insert an edge loop on the inside and split a small hole. Ctrl-Shift-click the polygroup and select only the hole. Press Ctrl-W to make it one polygroup. QMesh polygroup all and move them in. Then select the holes again and auto-group them. Bring up the gizmo and Ctrl-click the interior hole polygroup. Reset the gizmo by Alt-clicking the arrow icon and scale it in the Z-axis. Then scale it in the X-axis to shape the polygroup to more of a circle. Crease the bottom edge loop and then repeat the scaling to the other holes. Because this part is so small and will not be seen up close, I will not extrude the hole all the way through. The interior holes will most likely not even be seen at all, but I will still put them in just to be safe. Auto group the subtool and control click the top part to unmask it. Lower the model a little bit until the hole is slightly below the cylinder. To help relieve the surface errors in the middle of the model, we can move the points away from the hole. You can either unmask the points and slide it away, or in the Z-Modeler brush, select Do Nothing for the polygon and edge action, and select Slide for the point action. Set a brush size that is small enough not to affect the neighboring points. If the top of the holes on the outside is creating a shading issue, you could slide the point back a tad.